Okay, so this is just a quick one. This is how you're going to access the website with your login credentials and also how to post. I'll make this very quick and simple so that you can follow on. If you don't understand anything, you can just call me and then I'll explain everything to you. So when you go to the website, it's gmt.com. As for the first time, you haven't logged in. So how are you going to log into? I'll give you your email address or username you're going to use and then the password. But the password, you can change it later on. You have to use a strong password so that nobody can have access to your account. So what you're going to do is that when you go to the address bar here, before you log in, you add /login -GMT to it. This is what you type. You add it to that. So you can type this straight. I'll send this particular link to you on WhatsApp so that you can just follow the link and then get it straight. So when you hit enter, it will take you to the login page. This is how the login page looks like. So you have your username or email address and then the password, which I'll provide, but later on you change it yourself. So the username I'm using here is admin GMT. And then my password is so I can put remember me here so that next time I wouldn't log in again. Now hit login. When the credentials are right, it will take you straight to the dashboard. So you can see that the dashboard is loading here. Now this is how the dashboard looks like. It is very simple and clean. So we have home updates. These ones are not really important. Some of these items may not show on your dashboard. But what you need to concentrate on is this, post. This is where you're going to have all your posts. This is where you're going to post. Now to post something, you see we have new here. You can just go straight and post something here. Or you can just come to this side where we have the post and you say add new. So add new will add new post, and this one to new post will also add new post. So to save time, you can just click on here and then post. Okay, so this is the page for posting. Now this is the title and this is the subtitle. So let's say if I want to add a title to my post that I'm going to do, I can say maybe good morning Ghana. Good morning Ghana. It's a new day, like this. And then I can come to the subtitle and say home sweet home. So that is the subtitle, and this is where you're going to put your contents. Now this one is very simple, but this side you have a lot of things to do here. You can add media, you can add contact form, just like you have Microsoft Word. You can use paragraph, bold, italic, and then bullets and numbering, block codes, align left, align right, but mostly we'll be aligning justify. We'll be using this. And then when you want to add a link, you insert a link into something, you use this one to insert a link. So I'll quickly jump into my desktop and then go and get something inside Microsoft Word, and then I'll come and paste it. Let's say my contents that I'm going to paste for good morning Ghana. So I'll quickly run to get some text. So this is, let's say this is my content I'm going to post. I'll copy this and then I'll go back to, yes, this is it, and then I'll paste my content here. So now this is my content that I have posted for the story. So this is the story headline, and this is the sub headline, the subheading, and then this is the content of the post itself. Now you can highlight all of them and then you do justify just to make the line straight. When you are reading on a mobile phone with the justify, it's very nice. Okay, so after that you can add a media to your, so let's say you want to add a media to this. You can insert the media anywhere inside. You can just add the image by clicking on this. When you click on that, it takes you to the media page. I already have some stuff inside the website, but if you want to add new, you go to the upload and then you click on select file, and then you can browse where you want to, where the picture is located or the media is located. You can add audio, video, or picture, but for now we're only going to do pictures because adding audio or video is going to make the website heavy. So I'll go to my graphics and then go to GBC and I'll add this one here. Okay, so when it uploads into it, you get this option like insert into post, insert into a post. That's what you have here. Then the size, you can choose thumbnail, you can choose the full size or the medium. I'll choose medium for now because it's inside the post. So I'll insert that. You see right here it comes. Now if I want to push this picture inside so that it will fit inside the text, we have so many options here. This is for the alignment. You can say align, no alignments, align right is going to go the right hand side here, and align left, this is center, and then align left is going to go this side. So I'll choose align left because I want the picture to be somewhere here. So I'll choose align left, and then the picture automatically fits into the document perfectly. You can push it to the top just to make more room for that. So you can push the image to this side. So the next thing that you're going to do is you go to this side. You go to this side. We have category. Now, in what category is this particular post in? We have Africa. If it is about business, you can click on business. If it is something that is a little bit of say success story or tech or something, you can add it. You can add multiple categories, or you can create your own category. If you think the category that this post is in, you don't have it there, you can have your own category added. And the next big thing that you need to do is you need to set a featured image. That is the image that comes with the story. Now this one is just inside the story, so anybody who is going to read is not going to see the picture as being the head picture of the story. So to set a picture as a head picture of the story, you go to set featured image. So you're going to click it. I'm actually going to use the same picture for that, or I can just find something good or something. Let me just use this for that, and then I set that one as a featured image. So the featured image will appear here, and you can add tags, just like you tag something on social media IG. You can say tag Ghana, but this time right, you don't add any hashtag. You separate tags with comma. So Ghana, you say Africa, Africa. You can say motivation. You can say start fresh, and then you add your tags. So your tags will be listed here, and then this side is where you publish your story. Now if you are not sure of what you have written, you just save as a draft so that later on you can go through the story. When you save as draft, it wouldn't go public. People wouldn't see it on the website. Only you can have access to it, and later on you can edit the story nicely. Now when you hit on publish, it goes straight to the website and people can view it. Now you can preview. This preview will open a new tab for you and show you how the post is going to look like on the website. So that is the preview session. So this is what we are doing. So good morning Ghana, it's a new day and home sweet home. And this is our image that we set. This is the content of it, and this is the picture that we have in there. Now let me go back quickly to the post side. So after the tags, everything is showing perfectly, and then these ones are just styles. Later on I will show you how you're going to use these ones. These ones are layouts, how it is going to look like when you pick this, pick that, pick that, pick that. It's going to look different on the website. You can try various ones and do previews and see how it's going to look like before you publish it. So that is it. And then sources. Let's assume you had the story from somewhere. What you're going to do is you source the person. So you can source, say, if where you had the story from is from GBT website, you can say GBC online, and then you put the link in here. So the link, you go and copy the link like this. You copy the link from here, and then you add it to that, the post inside like this, and then you say add. So you are done with one link and the source. You need to source them when you post, when you have a story from somebody, and you need to source them because sometimes it might take some legal actions against you. So you need to source the person. So basically, that is all about how you're going to post. If you have any special question, you can ask me. Now, to make style, bold, italic, and the rest, you can just highlight the text, just like in Microsoft Word, and make it a bold. And then if you want to add, let's say, a link to something, you highlight the text, you add a link to it, and then you post the URL, the link name to it, and hit enter. So this one will become a link anytime it is there. You asset it as a link. So let me preview it once again, and you'll see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the story. This is how it looks like. Now the comment section is located down here, which probably I'll be moving it to the top because it need to be right under the story so that people can just have access to comment and other stuff and those things. So basically that is it. So after you are done doing everything, if you're not going to save as a draft, you just publish it. Because of it is a tutorial purpose, so I'm not going to save it. I'm not going to publish it. I'm just going to save as a draft, and that will be all. Okay, so we are done. If you are done with one story, you want to go to the other one, you just use the same button, add new, or here, post. It will still take you back to the same page. I've already connected this to Facebook, so anytime you publish something, it goes straight to Facebook. So the Facebook name is Eganaman Time. It is already there. So that is it for the posting and other stuff. Now this is where your account is located. So if you want to change anything inside your account, you will see edit my profile. So you can go to your profile, and then you can go and change the name that you want to use, and then you can change your password as well. So this is where your password is going to go. So you can create a new one or generate a new one, any way you want to do it. When you are done, just hit on updates, and then it will update for you. Okay, so anyway, that is it. So if you have any special question, or if you find difficulty in doing something, you can just let me know, and I'll get it done for you. Thanks very, very, very much.